how to take your plastic container that has been stained with curry back to its original color. So what's the first thing you do, mommy? Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Cause mommy, me feel like you have a lot of tips and tricks in the kitchen. Where a lot of us overlook and some of us don't know and we need to know. Even myself same way. So mommy just curry up a nice turkey neck and without further chatting, this is what she's gonna show you. She's gonna show you, wait mommy, don't press something yet, how to take your plastic container that has been stained with curry back to its original color. So what's the first thing you do, mommy?
I'm gonna sprinkle some Ajax in there.
So Ajax to the thing.
Yes.
So the curry start absorb that and it's getting red already. Okay. A little tips and tricks here and there will go a far way in the kitchen. You learn each and every day, right? Yo.
So you're gonna add a little bit of bleach in there.
A little bit of bleach, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Hey, one thing with mommy, so when you come on for home tips and tricks, your white clothes them white like a piece of chalk.
I'm gonna let this sit.
And you see, it's when it comes down to clothes washing and those stuff, check out the family channel, Morris Time Family. And if you're a young couple out there, young wife, or even husband who want to help out your wife in the house, and you want your white to look white and them to look mash up, check out the channel. I'm going to be posting some videos of mommy teaching you how to do laundry the realest way. So you keep the quality of your clothes, isn't it?
Like the black clothes when you add salt in the water.
Jesus, see them, man? Listen,
And
we have to see that part of the Morris Time Family when it come on to washing clothes. Because we have to stick to food over here. But trust me, I learned so much from my mother. You know what I say? I'm still learning. Every day I still learn something new around here. So I'm going to show you how we get that basin back to its original stage after the curry staining. So how long you let the Ajax and the bleach sit for?
it's so quiet out.
Okay. I'm going to show you how nice and bright that's going to be. Yeah man, you're full of tips and tricks, my mother.
Okay.
Right. The gloves on.
Yes.
And just scrub that.
We're gonna wash the side before because you know the bleach never go way around.
And just get a nice Scotch Brite or a scouring pad and you scour away. Trust me, sometimes I don't even say use them stuff here to season up meat because they're so clean and white. You wouldn't even believe that you just did curry. Because curry really stain plastic, you know. So for all those out there who have issues with that, yeah man, this is the way to go. Go around to no matter, you know. Yeah man. These are the skills that you attain over the years when you do housekeeping, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
You have to do the man you can work.
This is a raw footage, you know, people, so check it out. Oh my days. You put in as much passion into cleaning and stuff as you cook the food. That's the big job. Which curry?
So you know it now because but it looks
100% better.
Yeah, you can.
And if you do this all the time when you use like some white plastic, then you'll get them looking nice. It's clean, man. Clean. You can't just make curry in this some other. That's tell you. Clean and white. Go there.
So we gotta add a little, just a little bit.
A little bit of hot water to the dish. Wow.
So
you
that
gotta
is,
let it sit for a while.
yes.
This is nice and clean, my mother. Yeah, said to me. It don't look like no curry there. You know. Clean.
Yes.
Like that. You just rinse that out and you're good to go.
Alright, it will just stay there.
So you're just gonna let that sit for a little while, about 5 minutes or until the water cool down, and you're good to go. Thank you for this tip, mommy. You know, like this. This is nice and clean. To all my existing and new subscribers, I just want to give you a heads up that I do have a family channel called Morris Time Family. So if that's something you're interested in, head on over there, hit subscribe and see that video when I surprise my mom.